Hello people, Joe here. Did you guys see that video with that judge that get attacked in Las Vegas in the courtroom? Folks, my wife is off on the side because she said she can keep me on track when I make mistake because she want me to try to do this all by myself.
You can do it.
But I'm a little bit new on this thing and I'm trying my best to, to get like her, but I don't think I could get like her.
No, you did a good job, babe. You did a good job.
So, but I'll tell you what, honestly, this guy, he was telling the judge how he behaved himself now and all that kind of good stuff. So, must go easy on him. And he said, I don't know, I got to go to jail or maybe, but just go easy on me because I'm a good boy now. I got a union job and all that kind of stuff. And I said the kid maybe around 30, 32, young kid. But I think he's a 3-time felon. And I don't know, these kids of today, I don't understand them at all. So the judge...
He blamed everything on mental illness.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He said, yeah, on the mental illness and all that kind of stuff. So I think the judge told him that, I don't think you're ready yet to
be free.
To be free. So the judge was getting ready to sentence him, and when the judge started, he must be saying, what? I thought you were going to be easy on me and all that thing, let me go. Man, and he flew over the counter. The way how he jumped, like he got wings, right off a bomb, and right in the judge's stomach, boom. And I don't know, I think the judge hit her head on those ceramic tile over there but the bailiff, right?
He flew over the table that he was standing behind with his lawyer and flew over the bench.
Wait. He flew over the first table where he was with the lawyer and then flew over the counter where the judge was.
Uh-huh.
Man.
And the bailiff was slow.
And the bailiff,
not the law clerk.
Well, you see, the bailiff, nobody expect that to happen. So I wouldn't say he's slow.
But talk about the law clerk. He saw it coming and he was...
Yeah. The law clerk saw it coming and he get up there, man, and he was throwing some hand. Boof. He wasn't going like this, though. He was boom, 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 like bass drum. And they get it, man, so...
They tag teamed him.
Huh?
But he was on the judge for a minute, though.
Yeah, he was there he was, I don't know if he was hitting the judge or what's going on, but he
pulled out her hair.
Oh, pull her hair? Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's like a good, minute? Mm-hmm. He was working over the judge.
Poor baby, poor lady. Mm-hmm.
So after that, next day, it was the next...
No. They took him back.
Yeah, they took him back, and at the next day...
They took him back and rebooked him and tell what he did to one of the...
Oh, yeah, that's right. They took him back and rebooked him, and he also, when they took him back there, in the back, he spit
in the face.
In the face of one of the police. The warden, whatever you call it. And so the next day...
Wait, pause. What would you have done?
Me? Boy, I tell you, I think I was going to be in jail along with him if I was the warden.
Don't spit in my face. Mm-mm.
You can do me anything, but don't spit on my face. I don't care who you are. You could be a kid. You spit on my face, I'll slap your ass. I'm serious. You might, no, because I won't do that to nobody. I think that's the lowest thing you could do to somebody. Mm-hmm. Ooh, no. Mm-hmm. So...
They took him back, and a few days later...
they bring him back for sentencing. So when I come out, face wrap around. How you call the guy? What you call the guy?
Hannibal
Lecter. That I said,
from the movie.
Is that movie? Man, I said, but his mouth still open, but they should have wrapped his mouth and everything so he can't spit or nothing like that.
I think they had something, he was biting something.
Oh, okay, maybe they got something in his mouth so he can't.
Like what them box up.
Oh, okay, I got it. But that guy was...
But he still got the 19 months the judge was...
Yeah, the judge sentenced him to 19 months. Why you never just relax himself?
That's what you were the original.
Right. Mm-hmm. Take his 19 months and maybe he was going to spend maybe about half of that.
Mm-hmm.
But now they're gonna try him again for that, another judge, and you know they're gonna double that or maybe triple that.
Because he attacked a
Right, he
protected
attacked
person.
he attacked somebody from the government in a sense, you know. So I think to me he'll get a good 3 years.
I think he might get more.
You think so?
Yeah. Because they have to set a standard now with what they're doing to these judges.
Yeah.
Remember once upon a time when you would be afraid to stand in front of a judge?
Not now.
No,
It's true. One time, back in our days when we were younger and all kind of, but now people don't care. I guess everything opened up from
He gonna get 3 hots on a cot. That's what he wants.
tree hot.
3 hots and a cot. 3 hot meals and a cot to sleep on.
Oh, okay.
That's what he wants.
But the way how he like he don't care if he go back to jail.
And he's gonna blame it on
You know,
himself
it's true.
anyways.
People, some of these people that go in jail and they release them, they're afraid to go back, especially if they're in there from the young, and that's the only life they know.
Not jail, prison.
Prison. If that's the only life they know, they would come out here and do something just to go back. Yeah. I was talking to a guy one time and said, you know what? I can't survive out here. That's why I do stuff when I go back. And I know I'm going to sleep, I'm going to eat, I'm going to shower. I said, man, that's the life they want.
Well,
But-
I think the judge, you know, even though she got hurt, and I think the bailiff got hurt, and maybe even the law clerk, they're all fine.
Yeah, they're fine. The judge come back and you see she was okay.
And talk about the alarm. What happened when the alarm went off?
Oh yeah, they set off the alarm to get help in the courtroom. And the police or whoever went to another courtroom that was empty. What the? What?
No, it was not empty. It was quiet. It was quiet.
Well, I would call it empty, carried, whatever.
No,
It was,
people-
yeah, it was
people were
quiet.
there.
It was quiet. People was in there. People was in there. But they said, well, we thought it was that because everything was quiet after that.
They went to F and the thing was happening in G. I think
But folks, you guys go check it out for yourself. You'll see.
we're not gonna play any footage because
Yeah, well, I mean-
copyright stuff, plus it shows violence, and
Yeah.
the channel is
And my channel is pretty just not even monetize it, and I don't want to you
nothing
know,
to block it.
nothing to block my channel because of that. But folks, you know what? I mean, this days and time is something as I don't know. As you can see, I'm sitting down in front of my fireplace because it's cold here in California.
16.
It was this morning when I get up, it was like 40 degrees, and now it's
And we
the
didn't turn
sun
on the
coming
heater
out.
yet. We didn't turn on the heater yet.
Well, we don't turn on the heater yet. The sun coming out. So after about, I would say we'll get maybe about, but see what we do, burning wood.
Can you tell your people why the Christmas tree is still up?
Why it's still up? Because you don't want to take it down.
I don't have time. I'm editing too many videos for all my channels.
What we got? Is it what? Today's
ninth.
the 9th? January the 9th and the Christmas tree still up. Come on, people.
Why don't
Well, I'll tell
take
you
it
what,
down?
though.
Wait, why don't you take it down?
Who, me?
Uh-huh.
No, I ain't taking no Christmas tree. First of all, I don't want to put it up anyway. Second of all, I ain't gonna take no Christmas tree down. Why? I used to do this when the kids were small.
No, you did not.
I helped.
I always
Wait. I helped.
You
But
know the star.
But now, they're all big. Why put up a Christmas tree?
What happened? Are you Jehovah's Witness or something?
What?
You don't celebrate Christmas?
I celebrate Christmas. I don't work with Christmas tree and all that kind of crap. Please, there's a lot of work to put up the Christmas tree, take off all the ornament, and now we got to put all these back in a box, then tape it up, then put it up on the lot. Oh, no, I ain't even. I don't, folks. I gotta tell you something. To me, Christmas is just another day. When you got money and you can buy what you want and you can be happy. That's all it is. I mean, when
When
Christmas,
you're poor, is it still just another day when you're poor?
eh?
Because you say when you got money, you could buy it another day. What is it when you're poor?
It's still another day. It's still poor.
All right, go rub up your shoe.
It's still poor. So what? But you go work on that poorness to bring it to be the rich, to get that richness. You know what I mean, folks? But folks, thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and putting up with my crap. And I want to tell you guys all the time, without you guys, I can't do it. And as time go by, I know I'm gonna get better, so I could sit here and talk to you guys and don't have to worry about what I'm gonna talk about. Pretty soon you come easy, and you don't have to worry. So, folks, thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
The movie was called Silence of the Lamb with Jodie Foster and shoot, I forgot, Anthony something, I think, that guy. And I think he was a serial killer, and then she was, I don't know if she was a reporter.
Well, he just got a mask or something across
They
his
put that on
face,
him because
like he stapled up.
when he killed the people, he eat them. He's a
Ah.
cannibal. But